Okay, so as you know, cruising has come back, but it's going to be a lot different than it used to be. And tell you how that is that in the past, we didn't have our smartphones to take with us. We didn't have the internet, didn't have Wi-Fi. Basically, cruising was you turn your phones off, you leave them in your cabin, and you go enjoy your time on board the ship. Nowadays, we have cruising apps, and these are very crucial apps. These give you all the information you need to know about your trip. So pretty much you go in here, you get your ship time on the top. It'll give you all the information on the ship, give you everything down here on the bottom, give you your planners, your calendar. I mean, everything is basically geared towards the ship itself. You can even use it as your ship map and use it for decks and look for your itineraries and all your stuff in there. So pretty much cruising has become more high-tech due to the apps. The apps let you check in. They let you do the muster drill, the e-muster drill. They let you set reminders for shows and events and excursions, all that kind of stuff. So everything can be done in the app. Also, everything can be done on their websites. So you can go through the websites here and you can pretty much book all your trips. Do everything. Get it all set, do all your drink packages, your Wi-Fi packages, everything, all just on your phone or iPad or computer, whichever choice you do. But it's become a lot more high-tech. And you will use your phone a lot more on board the ship because when you're using the app here, you'll have all your information here. So once you're actually booked and on board, you go to your profile and you'll have everything there, your dining time, your excursions, your shows, and it'll give you reminders and tell you when things are coming up. And it also has even a chat feature. Now, if you're using an iPhone and you're using the Wi-Fi package, you can use Wi-Fi calling for iMessage and for phone calls. So literally your phone does not have to change on a ship. The only difference is it'll be in airplane mode and you'll be running on the ship Wi-Fi. That's pretty much the only difference. And that's just so you don't rack up a giant cellular charge. So that is how ships are becoming a lot more technologically advanced these days. And the newer ships are even more. So that is a little tip I wanted to give you guys. Tell you about how cruise ships are changing and how they're becoming more high-tech. So you want more videos like this, go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe below. And I will come back and catch you guys later with more videos. Thanks for watching.